And when something goes wrong, we do want to know it's gone wrong so we can fix it before greater damage can occur. The alarm is a great benefit to the customer, the installer and the maintenance engineer. Part of the design of the alarm was deciding on the balance between having an alert that was loud enough to hear but not so loud that it annoys you. It's what I call quietly insistent. It's more of a excuse me, something's gone wrong here, than a smoke alarm like there's an emergency. Some people say, can I hear it if it's in the loft? And the answer is, if you're downstairs, yes, you will be able to hear it. Now that we've factored into the design an auto mute and auto reset function, the alarm will go off for 12 hours, and at the end of 12 hours, it will mute itself. That mute period lasts for 24 hours, and then at the end of 24 hours, the sensor tip will actually see if the sensor's still wet. If it's still wet, the alert comes back again. If it's gone dry, it'll reset itself. So that means it's got a degree of autonomy for itself, and it doesn't rely on the installer having to come out and do something to the alarm. It will take care of itself. For the installer, he's giving great service to the customer, because up until now, if something goes wrong, nobody will know about it, but now we do.